Meet Jessica, a stay-at-home mum with a passion for writing but little confidence in her ability. She started small, writing short stories and uploading them to KDP. Despite initial setbacks, Jessica's breakthrough came when she decided to leverage the power of niche marketing. She focused on a specific genre, cozy mysteries, and tailored her stories to fit the preferences of that audience. The actions to adopt from Jessica's story is: identify and target a specific niche within your genre. Conduct research on what readers in that niche love. Create a series to keep readers engaged and coming back for more. Jessica's success grew as she built a loyal readership. By the end of her first year, she had multiple books on Amazon's bestseller list. From Jessica's story, we learn the importance of understanding and serving a niche market. By focusing on a specific audience, you can build a dedicated reader base and achieve sustained success. Before we move on to our next story, I want to mention my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. If you're looking to delve deeper into mastering self-publishing, the link is in the description. This course will provide you with in-depth strategies to succeed on KDP, just like Jessica. Now let's get back to our stories. Meet Michael, who faced a significant challenge. He lost his job during a recession. With a family to support, he turned to self-publishing. Michael had always been passionate about fitness and decided to write a book on home workouts. His initial drafts were uninspiring, but he didn't give up. Michael joined writing groups, attended webinars, and continuously improved his manuscripts. The key points to adopt from Michael's actions are: engage with writing communities for feedback and support. Continuously refine your work based on constructive criticism. Leverage your personal experiences to create authentic and relatable content. Michael's persistence paid off. His book, Fitness at Home, became a bestseller. His book resonated with many who sought affordable and practical workout solutions. Michael's journey teaches us the value of perseverance and community engagement. By leveraging feedback and staying committed to improvement, you could turn your personal challenges into publishing triumphs. Meet Sarah, a data analyst by profession and a novelist by passion. She decided to merge her skills to optimize her KDP strategy. Sarah used keyword research tools to understand market trends and reader preferences. She applied this data to her book titles, descriptions, and marketing campaigns, which resulted in significant visibility and sales. The key takeaways to adopt from Sarah's story is: utilize data analytic tools to identify trending keywords and reader interests. Optimize your book's metadata, titles, descriptions, keywords for searchability. Implement targeted marketing strategies based on data insights. Sarah's analytical approach led her to become a top-selling author in the science fiction genre. Sarah's story highlights the power of data in driving self-publishing success. By leveraging analytics, you can optimize your book's discoverability and reach a broader audience. In summary, the journeys of Jessica, Michael, and Sarah illustrate that success on KDP is achievable through niche targeting, perseverance, community engagement, and data-driven strategies. Believe in your potential as a writer, and remember that every challenge can be a stepping stone to success. Are you ready to take your self-publishing journey to the next level? Remember to check out my Udemy course for more in-depth strategies. Link is in the description. So to recap, focus on specific niches like Jessica, persevere and engage with communities like Michael, use data to inform your strategies like Sarah, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. So what challenges have you faced in your self-publishing journey, and how have you overcome them? Share your experiences in the comments below. I love to hear from your stories. Until next time.